Coucou mes chéris, you guys are always asking me what lipstick I'm wearing. I have so many comments asking me this, and 90% of the time it is a Dafna Beauty lipstick. In the mail today, I received a little Dafna Beauty package and we're gonna open it together because there is a bunch of products in here that I have not tried before and I am very excited about that. Thank you for being patient with me, by the way. I know it has been 2 Sundays without a video. I went on holidays to Disneyland Paris with some friends of mine who have a little boy who's 2, and I did plan to vlog the trip, but yeah, there was a 2-year-old. What can I say? We were very occupied. And then, having spent the weekend with the 2-year-old, I then got horribly sick with the flu for over a week. I'm still quite fluey, which is why I haven't really bothered to do my hair and stuff today. So I just don't have the energy. I've not been getting any sleep with a cough. So if you are also enduring flu season and have had a nasty flu, I'm sending my love to you because like it's a rough flu season this year. As usual, it comes in the most beautiful all pink packaging. You guys are probably getting all the loud noises from the crinkling, but just look at that packaging. It is so gorgeous. I'm always a bit sad to rip it open. So we have her collection of pressed glitters. It's got all these gorgeous Showgirls on the front. And it looks like we've got like 3 different types of pink, a red and sort of a deep maroon color. I'm imagining these are gonna look fabulous for Christmas looks, particularly sparkly lips and eyes. And some new colors in the Vintage with a Twist range that I have not tried yet. So we have Vintage Perfection here and Vintage Grace, which looks like a pale corally pink color, which I'm probably gonna love. And last but not least, this is what I was originally really excited about. I saw that Dafna had released her Vintage Baddie color in the liquid lipstick formula. So Vintage Baddie is my favorite color and is the #1 color that you guys ask me about when I'm wearing it. You're always like, what red is that? It is this, but it is in the Vintage with a Twist range and she has released it in her liquid lipstick formula. So I know I'm gonna get lots of wear out of this because I love both of those formulas. This is a little bit more sort of long wearing and a drier formula. The Vintage with the Twist one is slightly more creamy, and I do find that on my lips, if I'm wearing it for a really long time throughout the day, my lips just don't get quite so dry. Liquid lipsticks in general tend to really dry my lips out. So I'm a really big fan of the Vintage with the Twist formula, but out of all of the liquid lipsticks that I have tried, Dafna's formula is by far the best. And this is not sponsored. Yes, she sends me the stuff. I know Dafna, she is a beautiful spirit. So obviously I want to support her brand, but I genuinely wear her lipsticks, as you guys know. Let's do some swatching. I'm going to start with this corally red Vintage Grace shade first because I am genuinely very, very intrigued. It's in the classic packaging. So basically, if you haven't tried these formulas before, these are a liquid lipstick style formula, but in a twist up classic lipstick shape. And I would say it's kind of a formula that's halfway between a lipstick and a liquid lipstick. Yeah, I'm a big fan. So let's get a swatch of this. Can I expose enough of my arm to... Ooh, try and bring that up a bit closer. There you go. So that's the shade there. I'm definitely going to put it on. Oh yeah. Okay, so that is that color on. It is slightly more corally than the Vintage Nudie shade. It is not dissimilar to the shade that I quite often try and create with my coral lipsticks and my pink lipsticks. This is definitely something I'm going to be wearing with like a blue eyeshadow or a green eyeshadow for a late 50s, early 60s style look. This is my jam. Vintage Perfection. I am intrigued about the color of this. Let's see what this swatch turns out as. It's a red. Oh, I'm liking the color of that already out of the tube. I have a good feeling about this, so let's... It's almost a more pinky red, but I'm really finding on my lip color, it's coming out quite different to the swatch on my arm. So let's see what this color looks like. I gotta get me out a lip brush. You know, a red lipstick's always gonna show up every little tiny flaw in your application. So I've got my Dafna lip brush. If you don't use a lip brush when applying your red lipstick, I'm telling you, it is a game changer. I love this color. This is almost like a watermelon red. I am a big fan. These are very, very 50s shades. I'm impressed, Dafna. Not that I'm surprised, but love. All right, I don't want to take this color off. I like it so much, but I want to show you the Vintage Baddie shade in the liquid lipstick. I have to show you the packaging on this. Look, it's 1950s Baddie red. I'm like, look at that. It's beautiful. Now, I did read that with this formula, it did come out, I think, slightly darker than the other one, but I'm never going to complain about that. I love this shade. And the fact that it's a slightly darker red, I think it's very meow. So here is the packaging for the liquid lipstick. Let's swatch this baby. Oh, yeah, she's deep red. Let's come in here. You can see the difference with that sort of watermelony red and that dark red. But it is not sort of like a vampy 30s sort of blackish red. It is definitely like a red, a big juicy red, like a blood red. It is very blood red. Let's see if I can do this without the lip brush. Because it does have a doe foot on it. Let's see how we go. It is definitely a bit darker, but very fabulous. I mean, look at that vampy red, yes. I will say my favorite formula by far is the Vintage with a Twist formula. I just love how wearable it is and it just feels so good on your lips. But the practicality of the long wear of this plus the doe foot means that when you're out and about, if you don't want to take your lip brush with you and get like super precise about your lipstick, this is really easy to just put on and it's going to look really good. I did not use a lip brush with this, it's just the doe foot. So yeah, I mean, they're both going to get a lot of wear. I'm not going to not use this because the Vintage with a Twist formula is my favorite. They're both really great formulas. It's just if I had to choose, I would choose the Vintage with a Twist formula. Okay, I've been waiting for this for the whole video. Let's play with some glitter. I'm just a little girl playing with makeup at heart, let's face it. So the colors inside are Stardust, Flamingo, Lady Luck, Tropicana, and El Cortez. And it says that the colors are inspired by the iconic glitz and glam of vintage Las Vegas. A love letter to the legendary showgirls of eras past. Fun! I've seen a lot of the burlesque community do some amazing looks with this kit, so I'm very excited to try. The packaging on the outside is the packaging from the box, and then inside you have those glittery colors. Look at them, they're stunning. And they are literally a pressed glitter. It is not sort of an eyeshadow formula with a sparkly element to it, so that you can use it for a lot of different purposes in your makeup routine. So I reckon I'm gonna try going in with Stardust and then El Cortez on the outside of my eye. Let's give it a go. I'm gonna try going in with just my finger because I feel like, yeah. Again, because it's not an eyeshadow, this is going to be, I imagine, just putting a bit of glitter on my otherwise nude lid, but let's just see how it goes. And it does have a mirror inside, which is very handy. Oh, yes. Oh, this is giving all the Christmas vibes. I'm totally here for it. I definitely need a shadow underneath. It'll probably look very cute with the pastel shadow kit that I got from Dafna as well. The paler color there, and then I'm gonna go in with the darker color on the outside. We've got like a gradient. I mean, I'm definitely gonna need to go in and do an actual eyeshadow look with these, but I just wanted to see how they go on the lid. Well, because it's very sparse, you know, I think with a shadow underneath, it's going to look absolutely glorious. But I just want a little bit of something on my eyes for now because I want to play. I will say it sticks very easily and I have zero glitter fallout underneath my eyes. And considering I'm not trying particularly hard to apply this carefully and I'm just putting it on my face for, you know, the hell of it, just to have a bit of fun with it, I'm very impressed with just, yeah, no fallout and the sticking power is fabulous. I'm gonna go in with Lady Luck on my lips. I really want a sparkly lip, like, let's face it. Who doesn't want a sparkly, fabulous lip for Christmas? Oh yeah. Oh, this is everything. Yes, yes, yes. And because the lipstick underneath is slightly darker than the sparkles, it's showing up so well. Loving this combo. Can you guys see that? I hope that is showing up on camera because in real life, it looks like Dorothy's shoes from the Wizard of Oz on my lips, and who doesn't want that? I have so much makeup all over me. Okay, so that is me testing out the glitter palette and the new lipstick products from Dafna Beauty. I do have an affiliate link with them, so if you want to support my channel, if you shop via the affiliate link, then I will get a little bit of commission. It does not cost you any extra. It's just that I get a little bit of a cut for referring you guys over to them. And as I say, I love this brand. I would highly recommend it. It is, of course, cruelty-free, it is vegan, and I really love that Dafna is the face of the brand, that when you go into the boutique, you can speak to Dafna. When you go to events, it is Dafna who is showing you the makeup. The creator and the face of the brand are one, and I always really appreciate that, you know, you can get to know who you're purchasing your products from. Let me know which lipstick was your favorite today, which one you're coveting and might have to just go and get for yourself. I would love to hear which colors you love and why. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.